I know you're busy, so I'll get right to the point. My company is interested in purchasing off-market investments, REO properties and notes, and we know that the absolute best way to do that is to go directly to the source. Simply put, our direct-to-the-source approach saves everyone time and effort. If your company has toxic assets it would like to move quickly, please call us directly. We're real estate buyers, and when you work with us, you can avoid the entire MLS selling process. No more managing REO listings with realtors across the country. We buy direct from you. No more dealing with the renovation of REOs for resale just to meet financial guidelines. We buy as is. No more compromised closings because the buyer can't get financing. We're cash buyers. When you work with us, you'll have a cash buyer who is ready, willing, and able to buy as is on your timeline. We buy properties in varying prices and condition, and we would value the opportunity to speak with you directly about the assets you're interested in getting off your books quickly and easily. Whether you're selling properties or notes, we're interested in talking with you. Like us, you too can go directly to the source, to us as your qualified buyer. If you're looking for a streamlined way to move unwanted inventory, give us a call today and let's talk about the possibilities. We're buying properties now and in the future, and we can provide you with the most hassle-free way to clear up those problem assets. Contact us today.